Hi YouTube, Timothy Anker here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly uninstall plugins with Vim Plug. So let's go to my Vim RC here. And so going down, find my Vim RC, go into that. And if we go on down here, we've got my plugins. I've got only 5 of them. The one thing I can do to get rid of the plugins running is I can comment them out to start. So let's do a macro. I'm going to do Q and record on W. And I'm going to go to insert mode and insert a double quote there. That's going to comment it out. Escape, J to go down, 0 to make sure I'm at the start of the line. We'll stop recording the macro. Then I'm going to do 4 at W. That's going to comment everything out. And I'm going to save it. And before I save it, I'm also going to comment out the color scheme because that was one of the plugins. And also this, because that has to deal with the plugin, and this. I think that's it. Otherwise, I would get some errors there. I'm going to source it, and so okay. So now I'm not getting any errors, and you'll notice it goes to a basic color scheme. Now, if I want to clean out those directories, what I can do is I can run the command plug clean. And that's just going to take a moment, and yeah, see, it's giving me a couple little errors here. I'm going to say yes. It's going to clear it out. Now I may need to restart this. Okay, so now it's removed the 5 directories. I'm going to quit, hit enter. Let's quit out of this and let's restart it. Okay, and you see Vim starting up with the very basic theme here. And I probably want to change this color scheme because it's, let's do Colo Desert. There we go. That looks a little bit better, so let's just change this to desert. Okay, so now let's say, well, first off, why did I comment out the plugins? Well, if you want to reinstall them later, it's easier just to comment them out than to go sorting around and finding the plugins again that you liked. You can comment back in the ones you want. So for instance, let's say I wanted to just comment these all back. Let's do another macro. I'll do QWX to delete, J to go down, 0 to make sure I'm at the start of the line. Let's stop recording the macro, 4 at W. Okay, we got those all back. Let's source the file now, and let's do a plug install. And there we go. We're cloning everything back. coc.mvim is going to take a little bit longer. Okay. Let's quit out of that. One thing, like when you have coc.nvim, so if I quit this and I reopen it, it's going to give me this warning here: coc.nvim build.index or build/index.js not found. Please install dependencies and compile coc.nvim by npm ci. So what I really need to do here, I'm going to open up a terminal here and let's cd into Vim files. And let's list out the directory. Okay, I want to cd into plugged. Okay, list out the directory again, and we see we got coc.nvim. I'm going to cd into coc.nvim, and I'm going to run npm install, and that's going to take care of that particular problem. So it's taking a moment, spinning, running through. That's all good. If I quit back out and I reopen, now we got Vim reopening just fine. I installed Sonicai, so I could put that back in. So I could go with that color scheme if I wanted that back and put that back in my Vim RC. The dependencies are all set for coc.nvim. And that's really all there is to it. So if you want to try out plugins, install them and say, maybe that one's working for me or it's not working for me, you can do that. That's all fine and good. And then if you find you have plugins you don't want, just get rid of them, do plug clean and restart Vim maybe if you get a couple errors. That's all there is to it. Hopefully this video was helpful to you and I didn't ramble on too much. But anyways, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.